Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons butter until it foams, then add 2 tablespoons flour and stir. Cook that roux 1 to 2 minutes to toast the flour and avoid a chalky taste. Once the roux is ready, slowly pour in 2 cups of warm chicken stock while whisking so lumps do not form. As you whisk, the mixture will smooth and thicken. This initial step sets color and base thickness for the gravy you want. Once done with the base, bring the gravy to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil so it stays glossy, not grainy. You add depth now. A teaspoon of soy or Worcestershire boosts umami, and a pinch of black pepper brightens the flavor. Taste and adjust salt gradually. Simmer uncovered for 6 to 8 minutes while whisking occasionally so it reduces and thickens evenly. If it thickens too fast, lower heat and stir. If too thin, simmer a bit longer to concentrate. You finish by mounting the gravy. Remove from heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon of cold butter to add gloss and roundness. For a silky texture, strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve into a warmed serving vessel to catch any lumps or solids. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning one last time. If gravy is too thin, simmer gently to reduce. If it's lumpy, whisk vigorously with a little warm stock or reheat and strain. This quick fix restores smooth consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.